ficolema Adoame vana fianfito pata trozo pastolo Adoame vana aggedato pata trozo boconolo Oh mau ficolé nu baramada yo lecho yo jubon pomma Pola bonu kakani gakemo Ficolé ma we ficolé ma mbe ficolé ma Ficolema, ah, ficolema, ewe, ficolema. Qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is embalejado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole gio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti Mire Giodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Ficoleo, ma we, ficole ma, mbe, ficole ma. Ficoleo, e we, ficole ma we, ficole ma. Adoame vana fianfito pata trozo pastolo Adoame vana aggedato pata trozo boconolo
Yo mado abandi tokenamia beniba TV pola afisia fi abandi tokenami nyawezova egbe beniba TV muti wona ema egbe muti nke mayenye Joshua nkonyenye Joshua Bansa egbe muti amale ezimena mianovi ta nyawezova egbe wona ke hafi mi aje wona obom ya da pene maobe ekonto ko penu ugaje ko sa egbenye pejinu etone apen ke kebla fo etwa e unanye jura nene mai medo weso toke na mbe ini be nya po mi apa wona go si agbe le ebe ngba TV ke egbe muti ya Nyayi ejibata as a motivational message. Motivational message you must walk before you run. You must walk before you run. Na teƒe ne lé ŋku ɖe agbe ŋu agbe ke míela ese kple ɖoɖoe ele agbe kplɔm eye hafi nawɔ nu sia na agbea me ehia na dzigbɔɖi. Efia be dzigbɔɖi anye afɔ ɖe sia ɖe yi ke naɖe, afɔ ɖe sia ɖe yi ke negbea ɖe koa, edze be dzigbɔɖi na kplɔe ɖo aƒe motivational quote alo message ele dzide ƒom na mi be we must walk before we run. Nenye be míekɔe va míaƒe gbe sia fia be esia yi ke egbea ɖe afɔkua, edze be naɖe afɔma ne wòanɔ tɔxɛ dzigbɔɖi. Nu sia nu yi ke nawɔ axɔ dzigbɔɖi egbe mía sɔhɛwo yi me le dzigbɔɖi kura o. Nu sia nu míegbe míakɔe tsatsatsatsa míawɔ nu sia nɔ kpokpli be míato agbea ƒe amekpɔkplɔ me o. Medi be míazɔ ɖe agbea ƒe sewo dzi. Míawo míele gbe sia gbe yi ke wodze be míazɔ hafi míava aƒu du. Ta egbe ŋutia míaƒe motivational message ele dzi dem be nke míawo dze be míawɔ dukɔwoe. Ta nenemae megado woe sɔ na mi. Atɔ atsiaka kpli mi le Facebook. TV agatsiaka kpli mi le WhatsApp. Egbe wɔna ya alo egbe ŋuti wɔna ya dɔwɔƒe yi ke edegbe nia Vola Herbal Clinic. Vola Herbal Clinic. Wonye ame yiwo ke wowɔna eʋetikewo. Menye be asra ne zã woƒe atike koa, asra akɔ ɖe dzi eye nagakpɔ lãmesẽ. Nenye be nuɖuɖu zu agba na o, Vola Clinic tɔ dzi koa, woado kpɔ eye atike ke nehia woatsɔe ana o. Egbe ŋutia míaƒe motivational message ma le míaƒe emɔ dzi. You must walk before you run. Nyateƒe edze be ame sia ame nazɔ hafi wòayi ɖe abe ke Vola Herbal Clinic eda megbe na míaƒe egbe ŋuti wɔna ya. Tame be maɖe ɖe mia gbɔ ke miaƒe agbe magado ŋusẽ mi be dzigbɔɖi hĩa afɔ ɖe sia ɖe yi ke egbea ɖea nu sia wɔ abe amegbetɔ koa edze be nagbɔ dzi dae. Duƒuƒu ehĩa gake egame yiwo kɔ ʋuna du edzi be eɖo afi ke naƒu du. Ta míaƒe nukpɔlawo Eʋenyigba TV kpɔlawo megado wo tɔke na mi. Miawoe va egbe ŋuti wɔna eme. Miagayi go. Miaga ade ŋgble sẽe tso míaƒe egbe motivational message ami. Abe aleke megblɔe do ŋgɔa, atɔ atsiaka kpli mi le Facebook Eʋenyigba TV eye atɔ agatsiaka kpli mi le WhatsApp. Mina míaƒe message wo nonɔ vavam. Abe aleke miele míakpɔm koa, minɔ dzide ƒom na mi eye míaƒe dɔwɔƒea akaka ayi du eye ame sia ame kloe anɔ míakpɔm le míaƒe mɔ dzi. Mida kpe na mi katã be mietsaka kpli mi. Egbe ŋutia mía nɔviwo enya yiwo ke me míadzroa, míayi ɖe míaƒe egbe. Enya yi ke alo enyadzɔdzɔ yiwo ke wokɔta le míaƒe edukɔ me afi. Nenye be míege ɖe míaƒe Joy Online kple City Newsroom enyadzɔdzɔ aɖewo wokɔta dzi le afi ma ke madidi o. Mahe woƒe tanya ave na mi eye le ganyime tututua mía adzro nya yawo me ele vivi ɖe ŋutɔ. Nothing bola ke yapwe news headlines you ke elle to come here. Mahide egunami. Be ibaklimi ya jake nenye be ya no video ke wa fami aduma. Nenye bo fa ke mi aje ona katango. Be mi akwe newspaper review and discussion. Ke mi ayide newspaper review aji macho nyata kakao katango fe. Ebe mi akwe newspaper headline bantwa ayanya Honorable Agbavito ebe glombe recovering stolen funds, recovering stolen funds, a test for Mahama's government. Recovery stolen funds, a test for Mahama's government. Iye nemi ejo la fuma ya ike glo apeto ya le kwenye ebe ale ike miele miakwe gaozam alo miakwe gaozam le tukoma akpobe amado okwe dado okwe jiojibe yuwa no gazam atradi eye akontama no gamao kemia no vi Honorable Agbavito enya ike glomola enya ba miegere enyama but the John Dramani Mahama led government is facing increasing pressure to intensify efforts to recover mismanaged, diversified, and stolen funds, particularly those looted under the previous administration. The imperative has become a crucial metric for measuring the success of the current government, as it is the only constitutional and legal mandate, but also a vital indicator of Ghana's financial health system. According to Comrade Mauto Agbavito, regional chairman for the NDC, the government must treat the recovery of the stolen funds a top priority. It is a cardinal campaign promise that must be fulfilled and delivered. He emphasized Agbavito's stress that the government's ability to recover these funds will be a significant marker of its commitment to protecting the national purse and restoring the trust of the Ghanaian people. The need for intensified effort to recover stolen funds is underscored by the fact that the previous government was marred by allegations of corruption and mismanagement. The current administration has a unique opportunity to demonstrate its resolve to clean up the system and ensure that those responsible for plundering and national resource are held accountable. Agbavito emphasized that the recovery of the stolen fund is not only a moral obligation, but also a constitutional requirement. He cited Article 36, Clause 2 of the 1992 Constitution, which mandates the state to ensure efficient utilization of national resources. The government has a duty to protect the national purse and ensure that our resources are used for the benefit of all Ghanaians, he stated. The success of the government's efforts to recover stolen funds will have far-reaching implications for Ghana's financial health system and its reputation globally. It is impressive that the government acts swiftly and decisively to recover these funds and restore the trust of the Ghanaian people. Enya ya ike nyakwe apetobla ne ele budemwa ele tepetututu elapena enya ya ni afọ ejidudu kele ji ajifia afiwa ba khosia enya odeji kuna mbe amasiama ike enya kudamu ike efa eye wonno eziaji eye masami afọ ganwere kwa ejebe wa onto alo wa ku enya magbeo eye afike gama auto let koma wa de afia eye egama wa nyabe wa bobobe egama eva ho alo oko gama eye wo sendeti na chitudua ple miao abesiti so ene be mi akwa china jebe enye ba mi jole honorable benya agbo a nya ide akpabubu ke nyajojo evelia ikele bonyola fia aya ha ebogboro mu ndi aba nubola ma ho imechuchu ya debe mati historia afia mi eye miaka wode kakwe
Ago. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Không còn thế mà thì bà đã quên làm rồi cái tụi bụi ta nhà chú mắt ra đi tuổi một vài nhà quăng sự bất lực khơi là
Oh.
những mà vật phẩm những mà ta thăng mặt chung mà nó chỉ có một lượng
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya bobo yawa. Basi hasbena didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gara wonye ya nya fa no pati bani ko hi wonta nya no kuramwa. Wala pati ko nya ko katara ge.
Bon mà nó chỉ có một lượng
Va vai batakalo sugo. Ita bika dada fikremon tonto. Wala pati ko wa busielo weto fina.
Mayire vola to gbo ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje
vola chika no no pla na zama fiva na kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
Miapa todo wala todo fita itanye za vola chika mia toma toro ha woza vola chika fofo jijila ama
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mala akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodo ma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola.
Mina ne miayi Vola basenta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echite padaka Ufuto makata Mele tomo nidewa Eti makolo no ba Na ile Vola heba center Ikele jengo apla Victoria Park Afima na kodo Wotu akame Wafuto Wafukame Wafukame tutu dokada Vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba Akodo Come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye fo
yo ebenigba TV bola o ado ta flanche de do ma chuchu ma emu Magato wezo nami be mi gafa ni gachaka klimi ke miaga iji bata miakwa nyajojo majuju kwe wona ta newspaper review na nyaba mi gede citynews.com ntia nyakwe story evelia alo nyajojo evelia ko blombe Burkina Faso tomato export ban threatens Ghana's food security. Akusua menu ya ele nyaya deblo. Nyaka blomole. Akusua menu, an aide for former Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has warned that the suspension of tomato export from Burkina Faso could jeopardize local supply and national food security. Speaking on the issue, Akusua Menu highlighted Ghana's ongoing resilience on imported tomatoes and country's limited self-sufficiency in production. It is a national security risk when we have situations where we have not reached the level of self-sufficiency when it comes to tomato, she said. Akusua Menu called on the government to take urgent measures to protect traders and consumers, stressing the need for sustainable interventions to safeguard the tomato supply chain. The government, through the Ministry of Trade, Agribusiness and Industry, announced the plans to engage Burkinabe's authority to address the suspension and explore situations to explore solutions to maintain the flow of fresh tomatoes into Ghana. The directive from Burkina Faso, which came into effect on March 16, 2026, has sparked concern among traders and agribusiness departments on the import to meet domestic demand. Officials have warned that a prolonged disruption could drive up prices and put additional strain on local markets. Anyaike miano bobulom munti akwenye ba abaleke ohe emona nyapa tomato alo tomato chochocho Burkina Faso vagere Ghana to come afia miabe apeno Akusua Menu ebobolombe ado alo enye vofona duko eye duko menolausia vivieto miano yuke oinade Burkina Faso eye over emplena tomato eye ogachana asi ta elege depom na government alo jitutuikele eziaji fiebe ne da fokaba hafi eno navachi megbe eye tomato pe asia avano ji yimle to come afi yenye enyaike miano Akusua Menu eike enye Mahmoud Bawumia alo miakwe article ni tope candidate ke adibe yafa eziaji eya dona adamune alo adamdola onyona Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nenye baya mi jula fuma nyaga ide nyakwe enyajojo etoniachi eya kabo bolom muti abana nenye ba mi ga ide City News enyadega to alo enyadega komuji afuma ta minwan plim magati story maha eye magble afiami alo makwe kofiami
Fofo vile de fofo vile Dada vile dada vile Which can life be this? Which can life be this? Oh, hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu. This food where you chop from out independent, they go say so jealousy. We dey waka for street independent. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, the sweet they call you. I say. They go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Comme ça faut, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu, comme ça faut, mon Dieu. This right way they see so, you know be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, because of jealousy, brother, no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him, brother. Sister no go.
Yo, miano vinipola okay, megava kede miakwe. Enya jojo alo story etoliamu ebemutia. Respect for diverse views key to Ghana's development. Peace Council. Yele enya debro. The National Peace Council has called on Ghanaians to embrace diversity and respect the varying opinions as a cornerstone for national cohesion and sustainable development. The appeal was made by Reverend Father Dr. Anthony Na during Eid Fitr celebration in Kumasi, where he emphasized that Ghana's social, culture, and religious differences should be seen as strength rather than source of division. Respect for diverse views and the willingness to accommodate differing opinions are essential for national cohesion and sustainable development, he said. Reverend Father Dr. Na noted that religion was practiced properly, foster love, tolerance, and harmony, cautioning against the misuse of inside diversions or extremism. He urged citizens to uphold values such as mutual respect, dialogue, fairness, and compassion, particularly at all times when global tension, hate speech, and decisive tenderness, and increasingly amplified through technology. Speaking on the theme, promoting peace, coexistence, and unity in diversity, it describes the message as timely, giving growing security concern across West Africa the need to safeguard Ghana's peace. He warned the violent extremism and intolerance, especially when fueled by religious or ideological differences pose serious threats to national stability. No religion advocates violence, he said, adding that all faiths promote peaceful coexistence, generosity, hospitality, and respect for authority. He called for collective efforts for all citizens, religious leaders, and institutions to build trust and strengthen relationships across ethnic and religious lines. Reverend Father Dr. Na also encouraged Ghanaians to use such occasions as infructuous depends bond with people of other faith through acts of kindness and cooperation, urging the public to celebrate responsibly whilst upholding the value of peace, patience, tolerance, and compassion. Yenye enyaike miape nunola ade ebro ikenye Catholic towe haplola ike nele kumansi nuto nakagbomole. Abamiabu miape allo, we should respect our views whenever we speak as citizens. Ejebemia debu mianeomu le miape nya beome allo miape nya gbogbloome. Enye enyaike okodo miape nkume ike enye miape enyajojo etonia le miagbo le miape egbemuti wonam ke miaga iji pata agede enyajojo suemecho city newsroom ta mabiacho mikata miasibe miakojibodi na miape egbe wona yape manti enyajojo etonia mafa le matitime.
What is the issue?
Let me first talk about the manga.
Trust is a star. Everything jealousy. Which can life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Aqua woto menya wone upa for jojo kujamule. Nuka baka menya wenye ya. Hey, Dadavie, the kawa womega value. Bofubile the fulfill. Dadavie. Which can life be this? Which can life be this so? Hey, jealousy, oh. So jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey. Mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu. See, this food where you drop from mouth, it they pain them, they do see so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, they pain them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, They go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you say. They go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, quand on s'en mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Ah, mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu. Quand on s'en mon Dieu, mon Dieu. This is way they see so. You know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, jealousy, oh. Because of jealousy, brother, no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister, oh, sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Agba woto menya wone wo fa fo jojo ko jomole. Nuka ba menya wenya ya, eh. Dada vie, the kawa wo mega value. Bofo bile de fulfill we. Dada vie. Which can life be this? Which can life be this so? Hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh. So jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey. Mon Dieu, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Mon Dieu, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. See, this food where they chop for mouth, it they pain them, they go see so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, they pain them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you say. They go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu, quand on s'en mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Ah, mon Dieu, oh, mon Dieu. Quand on s'en mon Dieu, mon Dieu. This is way they see so. You know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh, jealousy, oh. Because of jealousy, brother no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him brother. Sister, oh, sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Agba woto menya wone wo fa fo jojo ko jomole. Nuka ba menya wenya ya, eh. Dada vie, the kawa wo mega value. Bofo bile de fulfill we. Dada be like Dada be one. Which kind life be this? Which kind life be this? Oh, hey, jealousy, jealousy, oh, so jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu, mon Dieu, comme ça va, mon Dieu. This food where you drop from house, it they pain them, they go say so jealousy. We dey walk out for street, it they pain them. Everything you do, I say so jealousy. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call. I say. They go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Comme ça faut, mon Dieu, mon Dieu. Ah.
Yo, mi ano vi ebe imba TV bola egbe muti wana magado weso to kenami. Ba mi ga chiaka blimi, ba mi awodo blimi. Egbe muti a mi ano vi honorable elemi ade. Fa be mia a discuss alo nya discuss alo nya poncho nya pe nya jojo mu let come e gba be elenke me cho de kanami ba to ike mi poenye mia no fiu ke over chana asile Burkina Faso e fie ba be o khemona pe tomatoes e uga emblebe nenyebe mele fode mi ape tomatoes do le Ghana tiko mafia ava de flami bele kabe tomatoes be Asia ava no eji besi agbe mi ano vi be mi acho enya alo mi acho nyamejujuru acho mi ano vi Burkina Faso tobo Burkina Faso tomato export ban threatens Ghana's food security. Akusia miyele enyayami. Repuleke epocho apamans.
Okay, I bet first of Medu Bene, the Beba TV Bola Kata. Katu Bene, Yabe MP. Megatu Bene, Yabe MP. Yabe Regional Minister, Bene Yabe MC. Yawele municipality redasi. Abe tomato senyaya. Abe enye enyakehele go kakenugo as a country. Abe imele effort deke wow. Be enu ya o imele importing so much. Emi anto as a country we have the means. Alo mi anto aja baba be mi aware. Abe nugo imele vivie do de enuma ono. Ena tabe pesi ape alo esi ayikwa mile blogo by this year la Ghana la mi ano sufficient le nu ya wo me ima ka no nu ya import kakala still eno LG now asichala le blogo okay Burkina Faso to be tomatoes a unse le umbe me blena kaba na be mi Ghana to ne no yanye enyare ka le blogo Tanehemia Ghana told me to be okay. Advantage ke ya le Burkina Faso tobe tomato se jiko umia weto. Ena tabe even to Ghana pade o actually tomato se siecha asichala umele ya value because ya mele unse do na be Burkina tole no. Tami have a research department, the Ministry of Agriculture. Look at your be uma research. Ako similar breed, similar variety. E Burkina to whole producing hele lasting longer. Look line no whole titia. No kind job ima our research ma I get that same variety. I cover Ghana lefi. Avano ako na blete la wa yauche wa grow wa dole efi. Came with time me actually have that same variety lefi. He me here be asichalawa kai Burkina Faso. Akaba no be tomatoes below. The minister, by Deputy Minister of Agri, Honorable John the Parliament, in the next 4 years, here Valley, Ghana told me no self-sufficient, the tomatoes production. If you have 4 years, Bola, Imakano to Burkina Faso, Akabano tomatoes below. Loko, Mia Pepe to do that, and your hope, Mia put there a door woman. There, like a hope, 4 years to come. We are not self-sufficient in tomatoes production. Avame, mabawa be anye nuko boko, alo anye politics ko. Kakemi akwe do, mi akwe de do woman. Be wa define ni Ghana top di. Now me no global okay. Government over the years okay. You are investing in agriculture. I have the means of. I employ a lot of people. That you are investing in agri. You are investing in agri. At the end of the day, the same challenge, no campaign or no promises will nada. The same challenge, you can persisting administration over the jojo, the same thing, legi. Tami here, leadership, no make conscious effort. There and blow you are put the door woman. Look at what Burkina Faso told him, ya imatonwa. Ayiba le Burkina, ayiba le miacheside. Ayimba Burkina, Ayimba Bachowe, most of them are desert lands where. Ayimba le mi asile fidi. Tanuka effort kawamile. Then to a whole fi kaka in a juje. Ayimba le fi ganedi. The government here o ya kwayimba to ya kwayimba about 10-50 acres. Acres mala focus in you are going to tomatoes production. I employ you for one agbeleji. Minya the number of jobs say numa are creator. At the end of the day, me as Ghana, tomatoes have a subo. And a belek Burkina Faso fever balepla. Similarly, other countries which have a play. They will do people no bad idea. Then the value chain is body, you have to process it. Instead of nature recorder about the first, second, third countries who import and tomato paste. Ghana lemon, first 10 Ghana lemon. And then you invest, then we allow make a tomato chair importable. I cover to common. Me have the value chain, me have process, me have tomatoes well if Imakabano relying on a country decor. That and when you government me make conscious efforts. Then me determine when we are near where ministers when we pay lip services. Lip service then no. Apple just for people to say yo. At the end of the day, I need only like in Burkina Faso, we can equally do same. We invest in agri. We have a youth for at least agri land. I have major look here where I employ Amegede. I mean invest them. I ain't bound them. I see. No, we have irrigation. I am at times them there. South Lago, then no Anglo cider, and the power level family even to a cane by my way. I probably can office irrigation machine over there. Can call and irrigate it away. Very fine. Let me invest them in. I expand. I get more lands and go into it instead of maybe I'm on for 2 months. Let me help you. That this is a challenge. No banning. Here you may talk about tomatoes 1 year. No kind of job. If you have tomatoes sealing, a short, a short system maybe. That pass your G get. Give me a kind of complaint. That for me is best for a future the government and make conscious efforts. Many me pay lip service to some of these things. We have solutions. We are discussing. At the end of the day, then may implement it. It's just on table. It's just on paper. We hear implementation. Then more of me brought to me the committed to be our day. And make sure be aware. Can be add definitely a Ghana top of the
Yo, honorable Akwe. Quel bon fier. Adam Kai Puenli, boy, ke adona miao about to come a few honey. Neptomia sono fiable de dea megale dynamic la pena kujiple e yikumiko denable e yide e good abayi food ya how we use machines ozana emo dem go e akobe o la dem le abososo me nyawo e ye o e kwa file kwa mbova kama wo de leke advantage pune mi aso be nya agere
Yeah, so I over the years, the school there. I go school. Ube no mesro mura bele kwa vadero. Edo teacher no mesro mura bele kwa vade. Ta bedela ona gomejela ona mi aso yo mi nyaba oki. Agbele de la abeto tapo excuse me to say. Tapo kutowa. Abe ya obenye ya ya nya agbele de la we. Hello. Yes, ever was better, mobile supetela, ever okay, and then they want to allow the Lamene and New Pluto. Kake, Miller Pobel over the years, and nations get only develop petela, agriculture is their backbone. We have more educated people only engage in agriculture. The American president, scratching the president, Kake can elaborate there. Yes, we probably have a deputy minister, Don Jubelo, on a cabbage, claim out this is a wake-up call in your activity. I believe the main tabo kuto we happen yo. Kake amesi amena ajagbe. So far as be enya Lord who I ask me, apple cabbage, apple carrot, apple tomato, split or amede we jagbe de akubadi. Ta enya le ple kwa. Bia be fika ucho we ka we lewa. Then at the end of the day, ucho wa no. If you have a president like later, you have a minister who like later. Let you pay your maton ataglo. So aside that, let him or I mean his psychology, they motivated okay, you are going to agriculture. What are the avenues where the government creates their support and member of what tagle? You see, they have maybe a tagle on a high scale, let's say 5 acres, 6 acres. If you have any input kidi, and or any excavator, we are on fine. Afterwards, the planter, maybe the hematon, adia mobile, panukoa, the planter. And you know, even at that stage, assuming the machine and live who are called a plant in our edibility when they have because the camatola tomatoes do the 5 acres of manji, alo, I'm sure I have been taken out that here more hands. At that time, a gamela yes you. Resources and possible get the services of a mayor leko kolewa yana tabe okay amwa bro banks will do our okay kake banks o abere ba jagle komesiba o mele willing bebe you support am legal collateral asiwa ebo you for me encourage you na tagle maybe okay you start with 5 acres of tomatoes production. Ebi abolum fika company kare bank kaya now credit union kaya now collateral wedding. So already that the means of funding many. So the last time I made a young okay. Oh, ile cabbage production the one and no flour and no galapo. Here a guy me potari the nyate bere material ba olum. Ako je agbele ko malo ako pele nukedo ha. So already that abe agbeje come amemana ele lunji. So at the end of the day, let's say a moment on go well as planned. They call a loan and pay about pay interest. Already loan my hope where I go interest they come calculating. Kaka benuko abachi. That one day I have this about pay back. And some of the loans were the interest rates are high. Maybe if you work well, they are one over you are now. Even maybe collateral, maybe I don't demand the requirement to never super, but interest is high because actually over risk level. So it's a factor. Then let me encourage you for no you agree and no that player. And if you incentives or no man motivate and not about that. You're not about hey necessary to undermine the man you are called farmer service centers with it. And those farmer service centers where you are placed the equipment to that if me then you planter, excavator, chemicals or spray, fertilizer, plant order, ano farmer service center awe bene here ba ko ya ega level ya no cover chi here harvesting give me one payback ya me ko is a brilliant idea because I'm a gidi la but me no you kake resource we cost start here then you even 5 acres of land alo 1 acre of land ya go akele branch be a general government they probably come turn wa go ehia gari ya have their services of amuwa tekom. So first of farmer service centers and here government say they are do at least never vala annual because now you there after cancelling the person they will not be for you already there okay ya je agree come quickly la any of the farmer service centers only as support here which is a brilliant idea and no you been here implement la at the abiteji then the farmer service centers only and chairman matable yeah after clearing the land may if my back planter excavator you have our own hamla and then I cut down the cost and I'm for working the lemon you go in and get them and we are the value that my venture no and more early that what else about property accountable then who you just will have more people and more encourage oh you open make a people work for us and they always support you know harvest more give me the other person check initially school the down of go agree there abe taboku to excuse me to say no I make it and even I make even well educated than in level former service centers are supporting that why would I go in Chema Academy because my proper supported that the youth are going support at the end of the day many of them are not boardrooms so youth should go into agree youth should go into agree many are the incentives or here push and here support and but why them earlier the many are no boardrooms where I know news portals where I know probably you should go into agree. It's not just by talking. Many a lip service you are not for the day action and the ground support I mean okay ethically I designate to know where I provide an excavator, planter, fertilizer, chemicals to spray, put all the center care and support to after harvesting and you pay back. That is it. Then here when my bit I'm make like get money. Then I can provide the other alternative to let one. I can make sure that if these support systems are there, make sure that I motivate you for it. I encourage you for better. No, you there and blame me. Let me have a minute of better. The only way to be self-sufficient or food sufficient, then you have conscious effort and get the agreement. And then the youth for all get them. Government should equally make efforts. There in touch, they invest in some of these things. Aside that, these tomatoes, I can go back to the same thing.
Yo, honorable, has the government of Ghana invested much into agriculture sector?
So,
I mean the previous government and maybe the current.
From independence, people after start with the tomatoes factory, people sugar factory, don't LA Foundation, don't the overthrow Bava and overthrow Eva. Me say none of operation feed yourself. The backyard garden which all feed the FIMA. At least what don't have as I know. That have backyard gardens with Pretoria. I guess assistive government over even to where actual make effort the way the effort and may yield much result. Fifi like because when the efforts man will yield, I don't know, Nami Nana. If you think me out Nakabano, at least about 10 countries were in the highest importer of tomato paste. Ghana man, the tomato paste land sufficient. Rice production and rice importer. The Nemian Tomian rice so one of our Temian when you have a rice import to Kake as a country. For countries or importing rice power. Ghana 11. And the poultry product import in the Kukuru import over Ghana 11. For country of 11. If you have policies way, allow investment into the agri sector. In the water, which a better like which a better in the water, I never want to see go. Diana Tabe, for me, everything I made is John Naman Mahamad of Brother, I invest there in Kuko Kitty. Because then he don't work anymore. He may pay lip service consciously, we don't effort man. Let me invest into this poultry production. With some time to come now, we have not sufficient in poultry product or him import for Ghana. Me am talk me have me import to. Kake him producer me am not. And then he go kitikiti the whole like the government play. The whole yichina bele ko play na. Me am kukulu ma mi no mi ba no mi le uno ko to beta cover mi le play. Akobe me am talk mi le produce chela e pa si adidi because ever super the system me ta asie chela adidi ademiaji. Now the whole Josie Belly, Kokuro layers will let eggs when they check belly, than only eggs wedding. Aba suboni. So what happens in the bed of the government is set up process looking at the eggs or process. So for me, you come about this particular policy, a government and cover very concrete. Yeah, with them. I make it all over point there, no lead program here. I Jagbagba, I commit to economy. There at the end of the day, government have a vision of okay. It's the Ghana media self-sufficient, importing products, yeah, we be makano importing so much. Ebe vision here, ajeji, kimi Ghana to a global okay. This particular policy yana ejeji to the farmer service centers who will invest in alobewa cover na the last time in the Pro-Afro region over cut salt for one farmer service center lefima and the show be ameya with the contracted he the door were expeditiously be a farmer service center mana have a nova a support and a that sector. Government over the years, a door of free fertilizer distribution, and the door of urban yes, if you have a kind of a I may invest in some of these things where they are motivate farmers so okay. They double about 50 acres along 10 acres. It's fertilizer. They are number you are 1 year. At a point after UCC, they venture about rice production. Rice production in those days, you have to buy fertilizer, and don't gamble you are. And don't want to see the FMA and get all home and fertilizer, it all get difference level. So if you have an agri sector, minimum investment in Ghana. And now that Burkina Faso playing over the GIA, let's show the government are invest into the agri sector. Then we are not self-sufficient. They need to do Bajila, Ghana, Tomia produce the fee out because we are buying Baum. And surprising, most of the countries will really more import tree tragedy. Over by Kenny guy, Kakeoja, Bala, Blade. Yamia, one, the told me, I invite you, let me see, you import to go. If you ever been lazy, excuse me to say, if you ever been lazy, although we are not thinking critically. Because they are came back here out, but a tomato split all day, bread day. Yami va le people. Pourquoi mi a pas une barre ani pas mieux chini ba ani pas mieux ni. Imaton attaquer afil mi a do quoi. Den fait avec il mi a do que fait les gars que me le show ben like mi a be minister April the 4 years to come. Mi a conscious effort towards that. So investment IEF ko to be que mi e choking quoi. Mi a te mi a global yes. Mi wa to mi.
Yo, honorable Akwe, where ya woman did them. Okay, my Bamia Gaso, I did me up a story. Honorable Abavito L. and the Mafia were recovering stolen and misused funds is a must for the current president or the government currently. Okay, what you apply on?
Yes, so Mangrove corruption and you look at him and over the years government will make conscious efforts where you fighting. I don't you DDG. Okay, the more Kalewa, the more Kaleji. Prior to 2024 election plan, it says JD and Mangrove a priority, most important to them. I make it up with the Finia Beganaga. You want to make sure that you are chasing me or a hawk a gamma lossy. And look at that, or I beg Ghana told me trusty. I don't me trusty, but I will not put a bear no who promise her because then you don't put bear 2026 prior to 2026 election. I have a friend there, any NDC member, corporate review. Initial process when put demo. There, I think SADA program there over talent northern region, Abu Gabeli, put demo there, and a friend pie NDC member kake initiate put demo. Kaka have President Kufuor Van Pluto, Elame Pluto, Yabane Amnesty. Ghana don't believe it. And they are not about vote and massive because at that time now the rot any policy system and GE sobo and Gafifi about sobo. The Ghana don't trust it at deliver. That honorable Agavito Benyabopra me davo. And we have corruption linked to a lot of people. Maybe I make a poor figure here one care. Maybe at the end of the day, I have any in-law. I have any open here. That then they are prosecuted to pay in-law. Had the Fouvier. That another corruption fighter because of those we are at the nafu. I came here president, yeah, sure, we are not our first institute or then put some of these things together. Or will fact finding will put some of the resources together or present in the Attorney General. Attorney General shall go through and okay, a door lemma, a huge docomelon, and then very soon now, you have a video. Aside that, we public government start with the issues with the National Service Scheme. Yamuntu Galefima PT, Miss Fafa stock. Issues don't corruption related issues okay. Kakeno kwa Ghana tole kemi no expecting them some kind of aggressiveness ava gerema maybe no kumele yisigo kake government ya make effort and still ekaleji mi pobeche mamu to be the court tere enyagede ube acheba holu be ni akoba de hagble. And the loan ma who ameto cover to recover from insurance company. When I know this former health minister Eya Hilli Miba or Sputnik COVID-19 amateur who be able not thinking well, they have to sign contract or corruption related issues were hello corruption issues were getting just that nukume so de na bele ke because esenya we nukume so de na bele ko jebene de so ya ka ke bele show the government in touch nya be vote ke gede unaya is because they promise be and make it touch who figure Ghana gap if that's me ya capture a promise be ya lewe ta ele be susume and among the next commentary so among only I'm not up to now, you work for America for OJ, where I had a caller. Let me feel I can't talk to you. Kakemi this process, it take time, government, effort one, and that would Jabba where in the shop, I may have the current government, the channel, as self notice now. Yes, let him out talking in their warrior. Came me and never him out touching me far. dasi Ghana Gabe, Una o Ghana Gabe, na cover wato, na cover blend ne free senior high school viewer, na cover one ya cut corners where a chugaji, a zaka ya capture go to be personal properties well. Whenever the day will come and government now are hold we accountable. That even though we and your honorable blow yes, very hard. Okay, this government assure me they have put everything in place to make sure I may have to Ghana will bring way to justice. That mean now we a say the door. That mean now we and the sure we vivia yapo emechogwe.
You honorable way. Okay, unju corruption. When you gaya you care me boblomofia, no ofivasa like Boba Amaro who Darafma by previous government. I don't know have about 10 my I'm a mismanagement here. Well, he was on course before maybe time caught up with him. How do we explain that? One district, one factory. Ever West Crowley hospital added to the Fumafi, Ever Julius. Should we say they've mismanaged the funds or they've stolen funds? What is their we can tell
so for now, the one district, one factory. Abenoko audit reports Valley Hadekebe in the course of the project, project Ojekoma, Amedo mismanaged the car, Allo misappropriated Gareko, Lugo and the site, audit report there on the one district, one factory. Agenda one project or maybe a so if my Ibema, Tanehe over Yime, our puppet no, a Gado misappropriator, if my Miato Ako corruption target, and then we'll start investigation. Where unlike the National Cathedral, yes, always me resources were and much dealings with corruption in the OEGR for agenda one issue factory. Not one accessible. Look, 161 district manufacturer, very unfortunate, but Imeton, allo government initiative, who be our allo Nukia, Nukumeton, then Utonwa, the maybe at the Ghana Torchi, at least our create employment opportunity number. Kakemeton, if you have a committed to it. Political sloganeering, lip service, and I'm paying to some of this is probably the door, because the million committed, for 4 years, there, you not on a holy cat to level, wasting my money. If you ever know, political sloganeering, maybe I'm not general comment, I'm one and another one. Therefore, that is it. Young women. The whole well there, at the end of the day, after all the reports, and mismanaged Ghana, then you should be held accountable. Because Omaton just for politics and maybe to one decimal factory, ever or west, okay, a general who within 4 years Omaton and the same applies to a general 101 hospitals away. Who promised that within 8 months you are over. 8 months by. Talk about within 12 months, you are Kakakaya can be the 50. After before 24, we not expecting that COVID-19 got is never. Paco of me out. They are not about COVID-19, get what I am to on it. When they have more bring up a car, agenda facilities or carry. Can you over baby? Now, a way was budgeted in mom. A hollow there, mom, the project hour. A guy or the Tony, look at Jiffy Garden. A Cobayana Talamila Kiddy. Then we are, for example, in Chobino, says a cocoa board, cocoa issue of Valley Papa. Previous administration, no hold there about $300 million. Then you are called a Toriaba, a Tore, then you are supplying, look at about 147,000 sacks split away. Ozagabo, kaka about 30,000 sacks of cocoa, chemical society, and here investigation. Now may all do me about always never resources. Intersinugo, you will go to account. Kaka never was a body, but them as you. At the end of the day, this one is in my factory. So Jacob. Now, raw materials kawe, supply, no kawe, all the supply in a new young factory away. Now, you put up the factory. More factory for them start factory. Now, cassava production, then they soon the GE, the West, allo, Volta area, MFE. I mean, okay, Volta region, I mean, the cassava produce so much, so the factory Kevara production, or maybe the factory set up there, they set a factory for. That we are investing into cassava, there, amonu tagle, no supply the factory. For how long factory are not idle? That one more about the cassava and Mabachi at 1 year. Watching you they fine. A starch, I have to supply the factory. Therefore, we have a priority whether then the deal. You go to areas, I'm going to produce in large scale. In large scale, we don't produce in large scale. That quickly, that factory drive me. It's just like a normal business. A proper failure. And all the nanity in high demand. A no menu. Can we ever to store that me earlier short, okay, we are move because already that demand the most left man. Now if I came in, when no produces so much, and then we start a factory. Now factory here, resources only, among this appropriate again. I don't let you factory here, government book which no plan that mamu. That go back gamma have alone my have one. Ele gamma waste get. I may yak when you Ghana me issue over the years. The head government generally come out because government book which ideology, vision will have the that set I took for that. And they say, I'm of my and not having me for blocks with it. Get the little cheap women. Because government you prioritize or probably no, it's not part of the priority. Meanwhile, Gamma loan be home. I'm coach a project man. Government develop the plan. And that's they are not about the National Development Authority or set up. They are our plan, development over, I think, 30 years nuclear. And in place. So that they guard some of these things. Let me see body, you know, loan for economy at the end of the day, they live more than women. Have a trade loan, and no for no investment. He blocks only. He loans where they call them, or cheap them. And if you have a new waste again. So as a country, let me call it know why are we doing it? I mean, maybe support here for where they like a outcome better they only conscious effort to invest in some of these things. And then me and number one me and before me and part me our brats where we have resources already. It's just that then we are I don't know the resources only. So why are we doing this to ourselves? Can we have one me upon a baby away a couple alone me I'm thinking yes. And me I'm rushing as the Mediterranean Sea bowl with all the risks involved. I mean the Europe. Meanwhile, resources only. Come here back alone. Me invest in Agenda 101. I cheap them. Me invest in new blocks where for school STEM programs where I cheap them. Me have alone. Me have to one factory. I cheap them. Meanwhile, alone, my new holder, alone, my head. I can't have a hello level for a chief man waste. So it's a challenge. I'm very sure that this government, some of the projects will be probably on new one. I was all and I invite you to one facilities with the Okobe. It's just that they want to see one factory and they say, maybe investigations one. Can we afford the amount of money the government in here can complete some of them? Just like a Palugu Dam. The idea never Palugu Dam as serve as irrigation dam. The farmers in the north, they all year round land. One will produce. I can Palugu Dam already land to go to Garete. I can project a major comment. Ever done to ya, Utuka. Okay, can I go to Garete or if you can budget and look at the Garete, about 2 to 5 million USD every month. Where are we heading to as a country? At the end of the day, America figure ako property gbogbo real estate to Africa ako the Ghana ako the real estate yadika probe family kenya na susu alawa no living in abject poverty. One living in so much poverty. Me ame ma be na me brea because me fi me apega go invest the document wa fly to outside. They never treat a rupee. Kake mi ame ke to apega ofina. Na me ne bra na scratch on my phone. Ambulance never call facility because what charge you have of poor girl as well as call. What are we doing to ourselves? I'm going to show that with the kind of research, ACCS, JDMB promise, I'm going to show that put it into work. And then some of these things will want to they are cut costs. And then in the already very entertain corruption, very administration. I'm going to show that with these promises, Ghana, and let me have it in
Yo, nabani bola, wale miyambo, yemile, miyambe, wanayapon. Ke abale ke mebula tuancha kakulimi le Facebook, Ebenimba TV. Ye aton aga doje kulimi le WhatsApp. Ke ebemudia, yanovi etonam chome yele miyambo, elikem chome yele miyambo, yemile. Morning news, where headlines will discuss. You, Alikem Egbendia, Peace Council and Yalebro Lafia. Respect for diverse views key to development and Ghana's development. Respect for diverse views key to Ghana's development. Enya Peace Council and Yalebro Lafia. Neke Epojo Abayam.
Yeah, so I think that is very important. Not only over America, but America, Susulo, and here Susu, Amegidi, Amefofo, but Susubera were put together, young to call IG. They are not in every government who have their advisory committee. There's a CEO spiritually also provide that advice the government. And then constructive views were ekito menye kito he over effort ko imembewa. And very important. The views kito yes amu wako is allowed. Amu wako anpronyake wako because we are in a democracy. And so yes, some of them government will take them. Analyze maybe and then our to but I get touch a negative, he had brought the country back to ignore some of them. But economy of the country politics ever support. Maybe I'm a daily so new better me. One maybe the other party because we made a party more. Actually ma denmo. I don't take you because it's from opposition party, opposition person. If you benefit point to cut the domain what to play that position, Amiando, a Kosusumave, and the credit that probably have go to the opposition party. I came sure as a country, some of these things would happen. So even if their views are low, necessary who do that, which opposition party, but I call it then come here and got the door, I benefit Ghana top it there. Look at you. I got the door. Because they want to clear. At the end of the day, many I make a opposition party, he come views a very when call a GU. Kake government he accept, but if you do but trophy gradually for the domain water. And now obey and now some advantage or credibility there. That is very important. The positive views are very important. Make it all a positive. And you have any cohort to add the Ghana top it easier. Yes, I got the domain. But I can tell here, no, man, tell me and you are. That's what they did. Because it did too much of it did MK here to Ghana, but called the G. When you get at the body of a that fiscal set of a job. Ume put a phone there. And they show over the years and mark with the Ghana to PTG. cease dependence from Nkuma Petabel, so many Nkuma the capital was so many established tomato area. I mean, get local so very old people, and the show this opposing views were Yahweh guard me, Kakabado Fifi. And not a member were positive ones were here at the Ghana chair. What were them? I can get all the negative. Ya come in and bear, Yamuda Silo. You were honorable.
SIM registration, SIM re-registration will not compromise privacy, NCA boss says. SIM re-registration will not compromise privacy. NCA boss the Director General of the National Communications Authority, NCA, Mr. Edmond Fiaku, has assured Ghanaians that privacy protection will be central to the upcoming SIM card re-registration exercise. The exercise being prepared by the Ministry of Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation in collaboration with the NCA is aimed at improving the identification of mobile phone users across the country. I will register SIM card. SIM I'm complain that I Zamu that I hear.
Lukuabe, and ya missing a Lukuabe, whole start SIM registration here. Abe eka time to me and yabo le announcer. Who start SIM registration and yan get you crop. I'm open and get a chombe, like a hula wa. Then me have a data capture needle. Our system may well synchronized there. One man jamming, I'm a fingerprint print or the SIM card. Okay, at that time, I'm going to more implement I have over actually in your daughter. Olejita Uzanga fine, Uzanga Kowano. Now, Mikabado Efi, Bumiaka Bori register SIM. Yes, assurance for now. Who assure me? For now, who assure me better? For now, who assure me then? You must compromise. You have a data. Over you must compromise. You have a data. It's very fine. Over you must compromise. You have a data. These are assurances where I can ask to bear. IEG alobe maba wire chevo. Akasu abe information so gede. Ekale in the hands of Amo Akose Akwa Nuke Bojebengowa. Yakwe abanye consent gede. Because we probably have a Ghana card fifia. Number na lay code on the Ghana card la. No be ako register SIM ako do nkira. I will find. And akobe a SIM card don't know if your is already registered. Registered, let me cap details way. In Jamaica, go very your SIM card, when you check it out. Then they registered in you will come and print or so we can come who registered. That issues only. I'm more frosted way. Who the system me? I'm over Ghana card, we normally won't go on. Then who register, they lay out system card to come register. It's very important. And when you have a system, when you register, system is not very robust. Because there are times one man could make a look at our the moment I'm there, look at our I'm there, you go and you look at it open from Fifilai. Can you be a look over the let a member of Penyabedi look at Fifilai? Could it be telecom providers already have information they could it be? And when Gaman over Fungi, Gaman over Fungi, my yobe, you do get it out. Kake Gale, Fafum, Giaco, who you do get it up from Fifiki, now, whatever. That annoying system, very okay. So the only thing, whatever verification and registration, then you can don't make sure the system is very robust. And make sure I take out some of these fraudsters loopholes where I take them out. Aside that, kumyaka wekaka miano bui rambo kumyaba no yaba no yikaka nyaka of government who chaka babel system and register sim register wale we have to register again nyaka no Ghana ka blink. So na hembe we are make an when you move for the day action and donate be a guy they said like he was ayi aba onu yueto menye be mi aka zanga ko at the end of the day government ko aka can be mi aka register me the SIM cards with it's very important tanya o global you are register SIM you ma compromise me the data fine we accept it okay at the end of the day we make sure that you want to maybe ima ka no SIM card issue get over after everything they check with SIM card la me bu come later if you go where you are putting a limit on the number of SIM cards America I have that yes so no come out well this is no me this is the modality split to like a process of quality in if you go go this registration na obema ima no kill that abetel come no konya like wa that me because any out of obema no kill I'm not sure about me no kill me I'm not sure about telecom providers or what provide link there I know I want to there we are waiting for that never day for now we go let bro can get the implementation of the modalities so let go where never they go and then who set data blame our neck over the then we have to scrutinize in you act whatever okay MK already ma compromise me about data ma compromise information they go I don't like a who play the signal no so I think that is fine that time I hold Jerkoma me have a minister of Sam George we are Yakoku Pritoa of mutual system now I'm sure but here I hold in charge fifia ya whichever when you beleki who comments and like Chuma here and over take bua I take 4-seater when we be one in the Ghana top it
yo honorable etona me that me akwe do pama afia egbe ye va bo deleme na mi akwe nyama juju mpola ke mi akwe gama entu alu amelemi ta melema da kone mi be mi chapa no mi agbo chu nti me ka andre me kaka vasade gabuya ida kone ni kata ke ma chamon popo ya ma ada kone ni be ha ati alo miape dowo pia afi ya no fi kingdom ike enye miape dowo ha la fia eye maga aide miape dowo pia ma afi ama ikele mo tipo nami ikenye mauku le miape apeto ga Mr. Christian yi gado amendina miape enpola kata vieto miape MCE Honorable Stephen Adon official Kenela do abandi to hena ke nkonye nye Joshua Bansa enye no mi abo egbe de piano fi Tony Maboy atebe enye be mawo for me echo la mesema amo mi abo eye mi abo kume ide do peve via data enye no sinene egbe piano fi everybody to boleh bide mau ke asing dia ecomi agatu benar
Fua me gonla nek po ma bada batwe manya Fua me na nek po ma bada batwe Fua me gon nek po ma bada batwe manya la Fua me na nek po ma bada batwe Punya motole khavi melak befuk bemula nama pola moji na bemadi chava obo omalona namo de otakwenya ba mava khogade le yegosi otakwenya ba mava